Hi everyone, today I will present you how to use ChiGen. ChiGen is a Verilog program generator based on a probabilistic grammar. We use a fuzzing approach to test EDA tools. We start by cloning Chimera's repository using the git clone command. The next thing we must do is to build Variable. Variable is a system Verilog suite with many tools, including a parser and a formatter. You have Variable as a submodule in our project, and although Variable is available in GitHub, we strongly recommend that you use our fork, since we made some modifications to the grammar. To build Variable, we need to first install Bazel. Bazel is a build tool developed by Google, and to install it, we need to install its dependencies, download their GPG key, store it in the krange directory, add Bazel's repository to the system, and finally we can install Bazel. For reference, we use the 6.5 version of Bazel, and you can find all these steps in Bazel's website. Now we can build Variable. We do that by using the Bazel command and the build option. It has a large variety of tools, but for ChiGen we will only need the parser and the formatter. The last step is to build ChiGen. For that, we simply run the script setup. The next step is to train our probabilistic grammar. We do that by running the script run parser count productions, passing as arguments our database of programs, the path for variables parser, the name of the output file, which will be in the JSON format, and the size of the context. In our experiments, we varied it from 1 to 6 gram. To generate programs, we need to run ChiGen we have previously built. The executable will be in the build directory, and to run it, we need to pass as arguments the grammar we trained and the size of the context it uses. It is important that we match the grammar we want and the grammar of the grammar, otherwise ChiGen will abort the execution. The generated programs will be written to stdout, so it is useful to redirect it to a file. ChiGen has many flags for debug and verbosity. You can check it out using the help flag. Any helper output will be written to stderr. After generating the programs, it is not mandatory, but we can format using variables formatter. Here is an example of a program you can generate using ChiGen. They can vary a lot based on how much tokens and productions were covered by the database used. And that's it guys, thank you.